This is called flame rollout. The flame should be staying contained inside the burner compartment and heat exchanger, but they're spilling out, and the blower belt is broken, which could be the cause. That blower moves air across the heat exchanger and distributes heated air through the ductwork. So if the belt breaks, the blower can't move that air, which can lead to the heat exchanger overheating. Flame rollout can also be caused due to a blocked heat exchanger, venting problems, or other combustion issues, but it is a safety hazard and needs to be addressed.